Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can delete all of the media and effects on a project on CapCut. So open up a project and then just select the video and just press delete. And if you want to also delete the text, you can just click on it over here. There's a teardrop shape. Actually, just press text and then it's gonna be there, and then press delete. And then to delete the overlay, select the teardrop shape and then press delete. But unfortunately, you cannot delete this last clip. You have to just delete the whole project like so. Press delete, and then you can just create a new project on CapCut. But that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!